Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to make any field as required field in gravityforms WordPress plugin. So here you can see these are all the fields are required, but phone number field is not a required field. So if you want to make this field as a required field, how you can do that? First of all, let me go in dashboard. So make sure that you have installed gravityform plugins. Let me show you. And here you can see this one I have installed. You can get the plugin from here. After that you can go back to the forms. Then here you can see I have one form. So click here, now scroll down and click on the field that you want to make a required field. Then on the right side scroll down. Here you can see this one, a small scroll bar. So now you can select required field. Then save the form, and after that reload the page. So here you can see now phone number field is required field, and if you want to make all of the fields are not required, then you can uncheck this box and then save the form.